Hello everyone, I'm Jay with AV News and we are at KeyMess for the Korea International Medical and Hospital Equipment Show. It's their 40th anniversary here at COEX. So much to do, so much to see. Let's go and check it out. Sartorius? Hi, how are you doing today? Sartorius, I'm Jay, nice to meet you.
Hi Lucas, nice to meet you.
Lucas, pleasure. Can you tell me a little bit about your company and what products you guys are showing today?
Yeah, sure. So we are a company founded in 1870 in Germany, and we are building balances and also producing bioprocessors and filters and pipettes, so the whole portfolio for any lab and any manufacturing site. And especially for med devices, we see the balances as pretty interesting because they are premium balances up to 100 nanogram readability.
Okay.
And perfectly choosable for infusion pump tests. Yeah.
Did you say 1870, by the way?
1870.
You've been around since 8, so truly experts in the field. We don't have a lot of time for the interview. You guys have some pretty kind of expert devices here. Can you show me one or two of them and how they're used or what they do?
Of course, yeah. Let's go with this device because it's pretty amazing. It has 1 microgram readability.
Okay.
That means 10 times minus 6.
Okay.
So you see the screen going down 6 digits below 0. And that is used for checks of infusion pumps, for example, like insulin pumps, because they have flow rates going down to 100 microliters per hour. And let's claim a typical water drop contains 50 microliters.
Okay.
So to be sure that the quality of those infusion pumps is on a high level, the flow rate is constant, they'll be checked on those devices for 96 hours.
Okay, so this is like the most technical and highly accurate device that you can use for that process, right?
That's true, yeah. So
I'm not the expert, so that's why I'm just trying to understand a little. I understood it.
Yes, you understood it. And the customers or manufacturers need those devices to be on the quality side very safe. So every data is tracked. We have the audit trail, the user management, so you see what's happening on those devices, and that's pretty needed for those industries because you don't want to have an over or underdose on your infusion pump.
Of course, yeah. I understand. Being not an expert or not, I understand that. So these are German products, is that correct?
Manufactured in Germany, yeah.
Okay.
And founded in 1870, we were the first. We built the first analytical balance. So we have a big history in building balances. And yeah, one special thing about this balance is it has a monolithic weighing system.
Okay.
So back then in 1995 it was made out of more than 150 pieces. And now it's only one piece. So it brings you a lot of stability over those 96-hour tests. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so we're in Korea. Is this your first KeyMess by chance?
It's the first KeyMess, yeah.
Did you know it's KeyMess's 40th anniversary today?
40th, crazy.
So you guys have been around a long time, 1870, but Korea is also such a big player in the K-medical field and worldwide. However, you have this product here in Korea. What potential do you see in the Korean market?
I think Korea as a high-tech market is pretty interesting because we have a lot of producers for infusion pumps here. And we also have other med device customers for stents or catheters. They do medical coating, and for medical coating you need to backweigh how much medicine was brought to the stand.
Okay.
That's also an application that these balances can be used for. So, and there are a lot of manufacturers here in Korea, so we really appreciate all the industries here and all the feedback we got so far.
So is your biggest goal to find domestic partners? Are you looking for buyers? What's your biggest goal here today?
Finding new partners and bringing those applications out there because those are very niche applications. We are also focusing on the pharma market, but opening our market as well for the med device sector since we see it's very interesting and you need high quality instruments to guarantee safety and precision.
Wonderful. And the name of your company one more time?
Sartorius.
Sartorius. We're here with a company that was founded, originated in 1870 in Germany with these high quality measurement devices that is far beyond my understanding, but we have the expert here to explain to you. They're in the Korean market here to help boost up, not only does Korea have great medical equipment, but obviously great medical equipment abroad as well that can help the domestic market here and that is used in many countries around the world. If you guys want more information, specifically if you're a medical expert, come talk to this man here and he will help you out. Thank you so much for the interview today.
Thanks for